Tens of millions of Americans have errors on their credit report. An error, or even one negative item, can cost you double, even triple-digit decreases to your credit. You deserve an accurate and fair credit report and score. Leverage every relevant legal standard for your credit repair case with our lawyer-driven process. The process. First, we take a close look at your credit and determine which questionable negative items are wrongfully hurting your score. Next, we ask the bureaus and your creditors to verify these negative items as accurate and fair. If they can't, they are required to remove them. As you work to manage your credit wisely, we continue to leverage the law for your credit, addressing new credit issues as they appear. How does it work? We use digital partnerships to reduce our reliance on the mail system and optimize for faster outcomes. We utilize every relevant legal standard to help our clients repair the credit and reach their goals. We offer credit score coaching programs to teach our clients how to manage their credit wisely. Since Lexington Law was founded in 2004, our clients have seen over 70 million removals on their credit reports. Get your free online credit assessment today